Hi friends, welcome back. It's been since long time. I've shown you my garden. So I've done lots and lots of changes. You can see this is my lotus plant, lily, and these are also lilies. You can see azolla, rich in nitrogen. You can see the lilies. You can see tiny fishes. Again lily. Look at the turmeric plant. So since 2-3 days it's rained very heavily. My pudina patch. One more lily variety. And papaya. You might have noticed I've separated my drumstick plant actually from this tub. So papaya was growing together. I didn't want to disturb the papaya plant, so slowly I just transplanted my drumstick plant from here to here. You can see. So this is the drumstick plant. Nicely it got adjusted. I pruned it. You can see the stem. I cut here, and result is this. In a matter of 1 month, you can see. Have you ever seen drumstick leaves so big? See here the size of the drumstick leaf. Normally it will be this much size, but they have grown so big, all because of the worms inside this bin. So that is the reason. And I'm here to harvest my cherry tomatoes. Sorry friends, actually all these days I couldn't post you my harvest, but definitely I will post my photos along with this video. Please do have a check. Okay, you can see my pomegranates. My curry leaves after pruning. Some brinjals are there. I need to harvest. And beautiful cosmos flower. And what else? Lots and lots of tomatoes I'm getting. So daily I'm unable to post the harvest videos, so I'll be in a hurry. Beetle leaf plant. So here I've emptied the patch. I'm planning to sow mooli and greens. Here you can see onions. Here also I've sowed beans, bush beans. You can see it started coming. So cherry tomato patch it was. I had to remove cherry tomatoes. You can see everywhere it is full of cherry tomatoes only. Can you see? So these are cherry tomatoes. See, these I have to harvest. I just pulled out the plants which I didn't need. Roses. Wow, you can see roses. Aren't they beautiful? Again turmeric and lots of passion fruits dangling everywhere in bunches. You can see here. And I need to harvest this ivy gourd too. Look at the size of the brinjal. Again, one more variety of rose. See the buds. So even I changed the pot size. I've transferred to this grow bag. Passion fruit plants. After this fruit has fallen into this pot, my lemongrass, again turmeric. This is Malabar spinach. Look at the leaf size. My goodness. Can you see the leaf size? It's quite big. The reason is my vermicompost. I'm doing nothing, friends, apart from harvesting and taking care of the volunteer plants. So this is one more papaya plant. You can see I had to prune the leaves. Cosmos flowers. So pleasing to watch them. Cherry tomatoes everywhere. And ivy gourd here also. Chrysanthemum plant. This was planted by mom. My mom, she's no more now, but still I see her through these flowers. You can see the plant contains only buds everywhere. So my mom is present in this plant. And one drumstick, and this drumstick I have left for seeds. So look at this size, friends. This is the normal size of the drumstick leaves, whereas I'll show you that also. Please notice this is normal size of the drumstick leaves, and this is the other plant which I transplanted. Look at the size of the leaves. Each and every single leaf is so big, can't even imagine. See, it's all because of vermicompost. Worms do magic. Don't understand why people go for chemicals. See, naturally it's been happening. The only thing is I have mulched enough dry leaves, okay, so that my worms, they just love. So they are hiding inside. Yeah, see? Can you spot the worm? See? They are very active. Lots and lots of worms are there. See, this is all nature, okay? You have to have belief in nature. Look at the worms, they are just enjoying the now dry leaves. I don't throw anything out. See here. Worms everywhere. The soil is rich in worms. And you know one thing, I am motivating others to start vermicomposting, others to start practicing this. You have to protect our Mother Earth by doing at least something. Make sure that you don't pile up your wet waste, okay, in the garbage. Start composting. This one more variety of Malabar spinach. Look at the leaves. My goodness. Can you see? The soil is so porous. It's all because of worms. See here. Everywhere you can see worms. Beautiful they are. Everywhere only worms. So it's all because of the worms. You get your soil fertile. The soil becomes fertile. Then no need to worry of taking care of your plants. They grow on their own because porous soils and rich in vermicompost. What they do is they withhold the water, because once it rains, I don't water them for 2 to 3 days. See, it's almost 3 days since I have not watered my plant. And look at the soil, it's still moist. And this is my Ollie. Ollie! Hi! Hi, Ma! Hi! She's my daughter and he's my son. Lucky! Hi, Lucky! Hi! This is one more color cosmos, you can see. And lemongrass. This is bonsai. Sorry, not bonsai. This particular plant, actually it is good for your stones. Actually, anywhere stone formation, it will break the stones. I would like to take a video on this particular plant. So it's a bryophyllum variety where it grows from its leaves. Even from the leaf, if we plant, it will start growing. This is turkey berry. These are wall winter plants. I have shifted them here. Look at the size of the leaves. So tulsi always present. Few varieties I've added. Some more variety of brinjal, and again turkey berries. Look at the size of the leaves. And this is, we call it as Neer Brahmi. It's an edible plant. It's really good for your health. Look at the flower, so beautiful. And we call this as Hongone Sopu, edible greens, good for eyes. And that's it, friends. I will harvest and show you. This is my black nightshade. Okay, let's harvest. And before that, what you can spot here, this is Musambis. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more there, 7. Okay, 8. Here 9. And there 10. Almost 10 Musambis in the formation. This is allspice plant, which can be used for your pulao, fried rice, etc. This is one volunteer plant. I think this is red guava. So I just found it on the roadside and I just picked it. It started growing now. So let's harvest. So I just don't want to waste these fruits as well. One hand I can't do, so I will start harvesting quickly. And this is my produce. So 2 types of Malabar spinach. This is purple one and this is green one. Lots and lots of tomatoes, ivy gourd and cherry tomatoes. Hope you like my video, friends. Do subscribe my channel in case if you are not yet subscribed. Take care, bye bye.